guys, welcome to my crazy life. It's Lori and Alex in Wellington today. I'm not doing a keto grocery haul as I stated. Oh, come on boys. Don't knock that over, please. Because I did all my prepping last week for my surgery coming up, but I decided to do a Netrition haul. Here, sir. You want to say hi? The boys are here. There's your treats, baby. Here's Al. Oh, I'm sorry. Here's Wellington. See? Oh, nope. They don't want any part of it. Okay, I have treats, and that's what they want. Here, come get it. No, he's not going to come get it. He's not a fetcher. Anywho, so I did an order on Netrition. It's a keto haul or order. Sorry, my hair's crazy. I've been cleaning. I'm trying to get my house together so when I come home next Friday, or this Friday, everything will be done and I won't have to do anything. So, Netrition, oh neat, it's on their little bag. Netrition.com is where I ordered these supplies from. And I have some things that need to get put in the refrigerator. So, I'm going to open it up and show you what I bought. And this is all keto items that I can't get locally, or I can get locally, but it's a pain. So I'm going to kind of go through everything and tell you what I got and what I'm excited to try. So, with Netrition right now, and I don't know if it's now, this is my first order, but they're offering FedEx delivery, $6.99 flat rate. I ordered this stuff maybe Thursday. I'm opening up this bubble wrap. Maybe Thursday, and it came today, FedEx. So I purchased, hi baby, what is it? I know, what do I have? I got some more extracts. These are flavorings, but they're clean. Ingredient-wise, there is propylene glycol, natural and artificial flavors, water. They are sugar, super strength flavoring, 4 times the strength. Ideal for candies, fudges. They're gluten-free and sugar-free. So I got key lime, and I got banana to try. For summer, I thought that would be fun. I want to do like a banana pudding type thing. I'm looking for a packing slip, but I don't see one. I believe these were $3.49, $5.49, something like that. My whole order was like $50 with shipping. Excuse me, I got some oat fiber. Now, normally I buy Trim Healthy Mama. It's like $20. This oat fiber for 1 pound was $5.49. So I grabbed 2. I'll throw one in my freezer and one in my fridge because I'm out. Oat fiber is non-soluble, so there are no carbs in this. And the keto that I follow and a group that I follow, her name is Dr. Christy Sullivan, and there is a link below. A lot of her recipes, she has oat fiber as an ingredient because it acts like a flour or a coconut flour, but there's no, you don't count the carbs in this. Even though on the package, it does say that there's 3 carbohydrates for 1/10 of a gram. But you don't count the carbohydrates in this because it's insoluble, so your body doesn't digest it. So I got 2 bags of that. Like I said, one will go in the freezer, one will go in the refrigerator. I picked up my Lily's chocolate chips. Now this Lily's chocolate chips, there are carbs in here, but there is no sugar. The sweetener in this is stevia, and they are delicious. They are well worth the price. This bag was $6.99, and at my Whole Foods, it's $5.49. I mean, it's $8.99. Sorry, I'm getting ready to cook something. $7.99 at my Whole Foods for this. I got it for $6.99 with food. It's the same product. It's just Lily's. The oat fiber I can get, but I have to drive 2 towns over to an Amish store, and it's still $12 or $14. So now I'm saving on not having to go all over Kingdom Come, and getting this locally is I've not found anything like this local. For the seasonings or the flavorings, I grabbed a thing of my Lancanto Golden. I love this sweetener. To me, it is the closest thing to regular sugar that I've had, with like very little aftertaste. Now, if you use too much, you will get a taste. You've really got to dial back the sweeteners when you're using these things. I start off like a tablespoon, and I just taste as I go till I feel like it's sweet enough. But I wanted some of the brown or golden. It kind of mimics brown sugar. So I grabbed a pack of that for some baking that I have coming up. Now, but the whole reason that I did this order was something called Zero Oodle. Now, these are shiitake noodles. They are in a liquid. Let me tell you when the best use by is. It says, do not freeze, store in a cool, dry place. So I'm going to put them in the fridge. This is used before August. This is original or organic shiitake penne with oat fiber. So they put oat fiber in this to kind of help, I believe, with the texture, because some of these shiitake noodles can be, oh, there's Debbie, can be a little slimy, for lack of a better word. I don't mind them at all, but I wanted to try these. These bags were $5.49. I picked up the penne. I picked up angel hair. What is going on in there? It looks bizarre. I don't know. Angel hair. And then I picked up spaghetti to try. I'm a little concerned with my angel hair. I'm not going to lie. There's some black things floating in it. So probably what I'll do is take a picture of it, because these don't have anything weird floating in them. I'm not going to eat this. I'm going to email Netrition, and I'm going to take a picture and show them, if I can, the black slimy flecks that are floating around in here. I don't know what that is. But there is a package within a package, so I don't know. Anywho, I'm going to have to email them. But, so this was the reason I did the order, to try this. I loved, in my pre-keto days, eating penne with butter and Parmesan cheese, and I'm kind of wondering if I can get that feeling with this. I'm hoping, oh, that's now Alex behind us. I'm hoping I can do that. So like I said, this order was like $50. This sugar is not inexpensive by any stretch. This is a 1 pound container. No, this is not even 1 pound. This is 8 ounces. It's a half a pound. I think it was $6. But I just, you know, I use it sparingly. And if I'm baking, I want the right thing. Now on their site, it's a little less expensive. And on Amazon, I got a 3 pound bag for, I think, $20. So I didn't think that was too bad. But when you find a sweetener that you like, you know, I try not to spend a lot in other places so that I can buy these things. But this will be for like cookies or like baked goods that I will make throughout the summer. So that is everything for my keto haul. I'm going to put all this stuff away. Take a picture of these weird angel hairs. Send it in and see what's happening. All right, everybody. Well, you have a good one. And have a nice weekend. It's Saturday right now. This will go up on Monday. I have been cleaning like a fiend. I finally got my craft room clean. And yes, I'm wearing a Dr. Seuss shirt. This was Seuss at Sea from a cruise I went on a couple years ago. But I finally got my craft room clean. I'm so excited. I can get in there and move around and get things done. So that makes me happy. Tomorrow is the basement. I just need to put some things away, change the sheets, and make it fresh. So if I have company spend the night with me, they will have a fresh place to stay. All right, everybody, have a good one. Bye.